welcome to J.Cs Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table, and today we're going to be cleaning red snapper. One really big one and one little small one. We had a red snapper season this past couple weekends. We got 6 days, and during those 6 days I actually caught 2 red snapper. So we are going to clean some, and I'll see you at the cleaning table. Alright guys, I got my 2 red snappers here. I got one really big one from Sunday, about a 9-pounder. And I got my little one that I caught while I was trying to catch bait on Saturday. So with a small one, I'm gonna go ahead and clean him like I did the big lane snapper. I'm gonna leave the skin and scales on. That way I can cook him on the grill with my lane snapper. Go ahead and take this off. Really nice fillet right there. Red snappers are really good, which I'm sure everybody knows that by now. Still not as good as the mango snapper if you ask me, but very good fish. Alright, there's my 2 smaller fillets. Go ahead and take the rib cage out, like so, just like that. Same thing with this one. Just like that. There you go, I got my 2 red snapper fillets for the grill. Alright guys, I got my big boy here. Go ahead and meet my incision next to the head, like that. Just going to run the knife along his backbone, like you've seen me do many times before. Just like that. Run that knife along those bones, like that. Find your entry point, go through right there, keep pressure down, like that. And now this, I'm going to go over the rib bones, like that. Just like so. Nice boneless piece of a red snapper right there. Left the rib cage on the fish. Do the other side. Do the same thing. Like that. Go along the backbone. There we go. Okay, 2 nice fillets. Go ahead and rinse these off. My favorite way to eat red snapper is baked. I absolutely love red snapper baked in the oven with Italian salad dressing, some Parmesan cheese, a couple slices of tomato, some onions. Absolutely love it. you go. Nice fillet right there, guys. Beautiful fillet. A little slimy, a little slippery. There we go. There you go, guys. 2 really nice red snapper fillets. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Me cleaning the red snapper 2 different ways. One for the grill, one to be baked. Fairly easy fish to clean. You know, the bigger ones are a little more challenging just because of the size, but they're fairly easy and they're very good eating fish. Hope one day they actually open us up a annual season. We get a season every year instead of these little mini seasons every now and then. But eventually, maybe the government will get it right and we'll actually get a good season. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. And I want to thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate it. I'm over 1,000 subscribers now, and that's because of each and every one of y'all. I appreciate it. You guys truly humble me, and I just love the fact that you guys love my channel and you comment and you interact with me, and that's what it's all about, y'all. Well, guys, till I get to see you again soon here on the water, tight lines, y'all.